Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. At some point, all of us will suffer from age and sun exposure. Some people start feeling the damages on skin very early on, while others, thanks to genetics and eating habits, can hardly see any difference on their skin. There has never been so much talk about cosmetic treatments to lessen wrinkles and sagging on face, body, on skin in general. And there is a new method that promises to reactivate skin's hydration through injections applied on the face. The very famous facial microneedling and skin booster. Have you heard of them yet? Besides being expensive, they are also very invasive on our body. So in today's video, we will show you some great homemade recipes to help keep your skin beautiful, moisturized, and soft all year long. Are you interested? Let's start with a homemade facial moisturizer. This natural moisturizer can be easily made at home, and it's a great solution to moisturize dry and extra dry face skin. It is also perfect for normal or combination skin. Use twice a day after applying a facial toner. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apricot kernel oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon of wheat germ oil, 6 drops of lavender essential oil, 2 drops of lemon essential oil. Do not use in case of sensitive skin. Directions: combine all ingredients in a sterilized, airtight glass container and shake it well to mix. Store it in a dark and cool place and use it in up to 2 months. If you wish to moisturize your body in a more natural way without chemicals, do this coconut, oats, and milk mixture. It will nourish and protect your skin, making it smooth, soft, and nourished. Ingredients: 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 spoon of oatmeal, 1 glass of warm milk. Directions: combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Apply on all body areas that are dry. Let it act for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Besides these homemade creams to moisturize your skin, it is important to use a good quality moisturizing liquid soap. Avoid long showers in hot water. Not rub your skin with a towel and just pat it dry. Exfoliate your skin at least 2 times a month to remove dead skin cells and facilitate moisturizing. Avoid alcohol-based solutions. Avoid using oils since they don't always moisturize the skin correctly. And last but not least, drink at least 67 ounces of water a day. Besides that, remember to avoid sun and wind exposure since they can also dry your skin. So, did you like these recipes? Did you know any of them? Have you ever made a homemade moisturizer? Share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.